for today's video, we gonna slaughter this goat. So this is the goat that we're going to slaughter. Hoy, pagpuyo, you bring. So we will bring this goat over there. Where are you going? You cannot escape. You cannot escape from us. Over there. Ikaw ba? Grabe ka kabadlungon ha. You are so badlungon. Oh, you are so badlungon. You are so badlungon. So guys, this is the goat that we're going to slaughter. So now, you will cut it because we will wear apron. Oh, where are you going? You cannot escape from us. You go back there. You go back there. Go back there. So I'm gonna wear my gloves. Hey, why are you so noisy? Shut up. Grabe ka na makita sa camera. Why na naghikot oy? Uy, dunot. Hey, you shut up. Are you ready? Are you ready to get slaughtered by me? Oh, okay. I gonna make you caldereta? Huh? I gonna make you caldereta na? Oh, you are so lami man. You are so tasty. Oh yes. Oh yes. We're gonna eat you later. I gonna kill you. I gonna kill you. So do you see my gloves? Oh, at my gloves. Normally. So now I will sharpen my knife. Oh, oh, oh. So dili ka na ra isa o diha. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. Ayo. Susuotin pa natin to. So guys, July 15 is her birthday, so we don't know yet what we are going to slaughter next. So hopefully we got another sponsor, no, to buy a pig. So she want to have a roasted pig, roast pork. Well,